I'm gonna break it down for you really quickly. This is how you can make money on YouTube. Thousands of dollars a month on YouTube. Sounds like a dream, and now you can make it a dream come true. No matter what your interest is, no matter what you're interested in, you can make YouTube content on that topic and make money. So listen up, because this is how. First off, pick a niche, pick a topic and stick to that one niche. The more niche down you are, the more specific that niche is, the better off you will be. Don't just pick video game gameplay if that is your topic. Make it something as narrow as Minecraft redstone tutorials on YouTube. So that is like, those are two completely different things. If you just do gameplay, it could be you messing around doing whatever you want. But if you niche down, then people will know you for that one topic, Minecraft redstone tutorials, and then they'll know that you are the source for that topic. It's a lot easier to get an authority, to become an authority in your niche when your niche is narrowed down and specific. Another way of putting this is that it's a lot easier to be an expert in something very narrow than it is to be an expert in something broad. So when you say that you are an expert or you're positioning yourself as an authority, it's a lot more believable. Once you have your niche, you need to start making content. That's the hardest part. You need to come up with content ideas and actually put it out and be consistent. Daily content will go a long way. That is really what you should be doing. And there's two things you need your content to actually do. The first thing is that you need people to search for your content, and you need people to click on your content. So if you're making content that people are already searching for, you're gonna pop up. The other thing is that you need them to click on your content, so there needs to be some kind of clickbait, some reason for them to actually click on your video. The second thing your video needs to do is you need to make sure that people will watch your video all the way through. Give them value, be very fast-paced, and give them a lot of value in your video. If you're making content that people are searching, that people will click on, and that people will watch all the way through, you will have crazy organic growth. Now let's get into the monetary side of the whole process. Now either you're gonna start making ad revenue from these videos, or you can have a service or a product that you're selling through the videos. So like for me, I make Instagram growth content, and then if people are interested and they don't want to do the work themselves, they can pay me to actually do my service, and then that's how I grow my business. But if you're gonna make gameplay content, it's really hard to make a product or a service without a following first, so you may wanna just focus on getting more views and getting ad revenue. It's really as simple as that, and that's all you need to know. I made a more in-depth video about my journey to making $7,023 per month using YouTube. If you wanna check that out, I'm gonna put it up on the screen right over here. So definitely click on that, and I'll see you there.